कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ïakhun Secondary School Living Certificate bala penyai daga Meghalaya Board of School Education kelas tang hak sautrik ulber arja arpsau batkan kod hak arpnyo trik ulber arja arpsau ha West Giant Hills District ki Khynnah ki bai khon yagani ka Ïakhun ilong sahoja laispa prapuingut hak khan rutuli ki center ni ki jakatho Ïakhun kadba ki East Giant Hills ki dan arja arspa laipu arngut Khynnah nagi nyotuli ki jakatho Ïakhun tang hasor jowai kata hak sautuli ki jakatho Ïakhun bala pelong ha North Liberty Higher Secondary School jowai Marian Hill Higher Secondary School, KGP Sinat Mingi Higher Secondary School, but Government Boys Higher Secondary School. Kidan shejar khandai spa an rupu prangut, bakun thup langi Khynnah shenrang bat Khynnah kentei. Na lord ki Khynnah school ki bai khun kum ki regular candidate, kidan ru ki private candidate, bat ki compartmental candidates ki bai khun yagani ki Ïakhun.
Tan kongenga wish all the best yagi Khynnah ki bila exam baro nusnem arja arpsau naga SSLC bat kumjuru naga HSSLC te nusnem naga center North Liberty ka SSLC kidon South Spa nripulai candidate baro barna kita sispa aku armut kide naga school North Liberty but life spa sapaway kidai di kiway pat school but haka SSLC kidon kumba kat life school kibila exam di center but haka HSSLC pat kidon sispa prapo wengut ki candidate bila exam but na kita kendai ku sawut kidai na North Liberty but prapo saw kidai na kiway pat school te kumjo news nem kum hagi snem kibla lay nasngo day ban kitbok kibruyang ban wish all the best yaki Khynnah school omtang jong North Liberty ngre jong barok school kibele akani ka center baragi wiru ki center bakinyan le baha jing duai ki jonga yo blade try kan ra di bakin yo e gamet ka basat ki bakhia roi bikin yo ban tho ki exam ki jong ki ke baglapan kre barok sisnem te Tegini hi kentin ngam dan sibon ban nre ngai syukit bok keruyang lang ya paro Khynnah school kibele ini ka exam class 10 bat kumjur ke exam class 12
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center